This space behind me should be clearer. Ta-da! Sachthemotive, let's go. Good morning, people. This is the problem with dieting. When you see shit like this in the morning, you just want to eat it. But we're not going to do that. We're making eggs instead. Got the toast. Look how nice this toast is. Like mini toast. Love this. And it's sizzling. And we're going to make 2 eggs. No more. I ain't touching that porn thing. I'm moving it to the side. It's getting packed away. This is discipline. Discipline yourself. That's how you're gonna lose weight. Yo, Sach! What's the motive? We're gonna move that treadmill. This whole treadmill. We're gonna move this treadmill. Well, I'm gonna disassemble it and clear this space up basically. So all this space will be clear. Gonna do a magic trick. This space behind me should be clearer. Let's see if that worked. Basically, this treadmill was out in the rain and stuff, and all the electrics got messed up, so I have to scrap it. Alright, let's do this. He threw the ball into the window. I think she's some kind of boxer. This guy thinks he's some boxer. Boxer. Oi! Boxer! Why are you scared? I'm struggling so bad with these. They're like rusted in. They're not coming out. Yesterday was 40 degrees. Today is... How can the temperature drop 10 degrees like that? I don't know. Anyways, the treadmill. We're getting there. I thought it would have happened in like one go, one day. Because of the heat will kind of slow things down. But it looks a lot cleaner now. I'm going to get rid of it completely. Guys, I'm sorry I have to do this. No! Papa John's. Alright, so one off. Cheat day. We had to. That is nice. That tastes so good. He forced me to have it. 45 degrees today. How do you feel, baby man?
Bro. What I'm gonna say is, wait, hold on. Guys, do not act like a hero like me. I woke up dizzy. I trained, I pushed myself in the heat. But you know, they pump it up, man. I'm finished now. And I don't know if I had a heat stroke, sunstroke, whatever you want to call it. Fuck. Yep. Made my head spinning, bro. What are you doing? Fuck off, man. You're bare annoying.
Soon touch. Oh shit, such a... We got the heater on. Let's go. Let's go. Does anyone want a DC motor? We're gonna keep this motor, so if you want it, DM me. Ta-da! Told you, it's gone. Look, nice and clean. No treadmill. Proper good, look. All that space opened up. Yeah, it looks great. So basically, guys, I'm struggling today, I ain't gonna lie. The destination seems so far away. The millionaire journey. The fitness, fat weight, loss journey. It seems far, I ain't gonna lie. That's the truth. And one more thing I was thinking about is, you know, where did I go wrong or whatever? Not where I went wrong. Why wasn't I happy before and stuff like that in life or whatnot? Or I was always like, oh, when I used to eat and stuff, make myself feel better. But it comes down to living your own life. Everyone has their own life to live. You get depressed when you try to live someone else's life. So live your life. That's one thing I've learned. Live your life. Everyone's life is separate. Everyone's life is different. Now, all this is kind of messy. I look at stuff on the internet, I'm like, damn, I don't want to show it. But hey, If it's messy, it's messy. It is what it is. There's a reason it's like that. I can better myself, but it is what it is, and I can only learn and grow. But yeah, stop living other people's life. You'll feel much better. So we're gonna live our life, and that's the goal. That's the motive, and that's how we're gonna do it. Cause I'm looking at people online. I'm like, wow, look at his body, look at his physique. You know, he's got a six-pack, he's got abs, he's strong or whatever. And then I'm looking at like people that are successful with money and stuff, and it's overwhelming at times. It gets to you, but that's their life. They worked for that. They done it. They've earned it. They've inherited it. Whatever. When you look at other people, that's when problems come in. So we're just gonna focus on our life. I am Sachthemotive, and I'm here to motivate you. This is the motive. Let's go. Let's do this. Focus on yourself and carry on strong. And that's it. Each person has their own role in life. Don't try being anyone else. Don't try imitating anyone else. So, you know, you're not going to be them. You never will be. You're going to be yourself only. So stay happy and go smash it. Whatever your goal is, stay motivated. We're going to smash it. We're going to get fit. We're going to work hard. We're going to carry on with this YouTube channel. We're going to keep going. We're going to reach for the stars. And we're going to make it. But yeah, anyway, that's enough talk. Let's go. I want to thank each and every one of you guys, actually, honestly, for subscribing to the channel, for supporting the channel. Every like, you know, thank you very much. Every comment, thank you very much. I really appreciate it, honestly. It means a lot. So thank you. Stay motivated. Wednesday, 27 July 2022. So basically I was just thinking in my head, we got Sachthemotive. And I'm like, we need another character. You know, everyone has like an avatar. I was seeing all like the WWE stars, you know, movie stars, or whatever. There's a character for each one. So now it's time to introduce you to God Yoda. God Yoda, they call me God Yoda Yoda. God Yoda, they call me God Yoda Yoda. So basically that was God Yoda. That's the avatar. God Yoda loves music. So the plan with God Yoda is only those who watch this vlog will know who God Yoda is. I'm gonna make a God Yoda account on TikTok. We're gonna dance, we're gonna have some fun. Let's see how far we get with God Yoda. Obviously, the music is with God Yoda. God Yoda is a special music character. And yeah, so I'm Sachthemotive, let it motivate you. And then we got my boy God Yoda sorting out the music stuff. Because otherwise, for Sachthemotive, it gets too much. You know, I need to split it in two. Trying to handle all this YouTube stuff and everything in business. Then God Yoda can handle all the music side. I need two people. Trust me. Thanks, God Yoda. Thank you.